talk with the tropical storms stuff here now. Rafael, 70-mile-per-hour wind, so it is not far from being a hurricane. It looks like it's going to be a Cat 1 crossing over Cuba and then out into the Gulf and then weakening down in a few days before it makes sort of a landfall, if you want to call it that, in the Louisiana area. But it looks like it's going to kind of fizzle out once it gets there. So this is how it looks over the next few days, just so you get an idea that it is staying away from us. We're up here. But again, on this side with that fetch of moisture coming up, that's what's going to help us have the rain potential. So same model I just showed you, but this is from our neck of the woods. You can see maybe a sprinkle or two tonight, not related to any of that. Tomorrow morning, though, maybe a few sprinkles, and then as we get on into the middle of the day, early afternoon, starting to kind of come down. Now, this latest model shows it's mainly our southern half for the bigger numbers as far as rainfall totals. There's tomorrow night. Late as we go into Thursday, again, kind of stay in southern half for some of this. This could change on the next model run. I always say that. This goes into Friday mid-morning where we could have clouds or a sprinkle or two. Long-range models are still trying to piece that together. I have us at a 30% chance Friday, so down a lot from tomorrow and Thursday. And then keeping a 20% chance for Saturday and Sunday just in case, because right now the models are not quite agreeing and there may not be enough ingredients left to even make a sprinkle, but we're going to leave it there. Same thing as we get into next week. So with that model I showed you, just off of what we know so far, through tomorrow and Thursday, you can see the biggest rainfall totals in our southern and southeastern counties. 8.5 to 9 inches of rain in Eastman. That would be pretty amazing. We'll see if that actually verifies. But again, the next model run may show something different. I would prepare for at least a couple to a few inches of rain. The farther south you are and southeast, you may get more of that. That's for the next 2 days. And then we'll get into the 70s and back the rain chances down a pretty good bit as we go into the weekend.